My name is Lolis Eric Elie, and I grew up in uptown New Orleans. So I've lived in Los Angeles for about 7 years now, going back and forth, but mostly here doing television writing. Even now, when I go home, I bring back some camellia beans. I like the idea of sharing what I got. I also like the idea of connecting with New Orleans expats out here over some New Orleans food. When you put red beans on the table for folks who are from New Orleans, who even have been to New Orleans, you immediately generate a kind of conversation, and among New Orleanians, a kind of nostalgia. One of the great lessons New Orleans has for the country is that we should each have something about ourselves to share that's unique to us, or unique to our people, our culture, that can be our contribution to the world. And red beans and rice is that for New Orleans.